Welcome to Magitudes, a short tutorial on how you can unban people on Discord. We are here on my server called Plantophiles. In the top left corner, click on the down arrow just next to your server's name. Then choose Server Settings. Now you will head over to Bans. And you will get a list with all the people that have been banned from your Discord server. Now to unban certain people or just one person, just click on the name of the person that you would like to unban and then click on Revoke Ban. Once you've done that, that person will be an active member again of your Discord server. Thank you very much for listening, and if you did indeed enjoy this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye guys.